Ladies and gentlemen, this is an EVA products factory, Jiangxi Zhicai.
Trust begins with transparency. During a recent visit from our French customers, we presented our factory, production processes, and product development capabilities. From EVA foam materials and precision processing to quality inspection and packaging. Each stage is managed through a complete in-house production system. In our showroom, customers can review a wide range of EVA products, customized samples, and application solutions for different markets. More importantly, face-to-face communication allows us to better understand each project's design, material, quality, and production requirements. This visit represents more than a business meeting. It reflects our commitment to open communication, reliable manufacturing, and long-term cooperation. ZC FoamTech, a trusted manufacturing partner for customized EVA foam products.